What's good, Good Ink fam? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to announce that we're going to be kicking off a brand new event this summer that'll essentially be replacing Good Tuesdays. So the event is called the Good Ink Summer Photography Camp. So the name says a lot. That's kind of the general idea. It is a summer camp for photography. The idea of it came from, I can't remember if it was Mickey or Julian or maybe somebody else. I remember someone telling me that Good Tuesdays reminded them of a summer camp that they used to go to when they were kids, and that always stuck with me. I love that idea of like Good Tuesdays being a summer camp. So if you're not familiar with Good Tuesdays, it was a summer meetup event that we did every Tuesday for 15 consecutive weeks throughout the summer. Eventually it went to 10 weeks, but yeah, it was a ton of fun. It was a really strong kind of community family based event that grew like crazy. We did it for 10 years and eventually it came to an end last year. And so I was looking for something to replace Good Tuesdays, and that idea of a summer camp kind of popped back into my head. And I thought, why not do a summer camp? So this summer camp will essentially be a condensed version of Good Tuesdays. So we will have 7 consecutive days of sunset meetups. So they'll all start at 6:30 consecutively. So an entire week of meetups, all kind of condensed into one amazing time. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be intense. This is something really different. It's a new idea, new concept. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, but there'll be some hiccups and some bumps and some bruises along the way. But I think this is gonna be the next big thing for us here at Good Ink. So there's a big difference between this and Good Tuesdays. We are charging for this event. It's gonna be $150 for the entire week. If you are a Good Ink member, you get a $30 discount. It's a 20% discount. I think it comes out to a $30 discount for being a member. So it's 20% off. And that's for the entire 7 days. We also have 3-day passes as well. So if you get a 3-day pass, you can pick 3 of the events that you want to go to. Maybe you just, it's too much for you, or you're not available every single day. 3-day pass may make sense for you. We don't have a lot of those. We only have 10 3-day passes available. And then we also have single day passes as well. And those are $35 each. We only have 10 of those as well. The reason I'm limiting those is I don't want the events to get too big. So we have 30 full day passes, or 30 full week passes available, 10 3-day and 10 single day passes available, just to keep the size of the events down, especially in the beginning. It's going to be a lot for me to try to manage and try to keep track of, but I'm excited for it, man. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. Most of the days are set. I did have someone unfortunately just back out of one of our events, but every other day is set so far. So Saturday, July 13th will be the inaugural kickoff event that we'll do at the Tower Bridge. That will be open to anyone and everyone, open to the public. I'm doing that just to kind of like raise awareness about the event, and also just, it's the first one, might as well make it open and free to the public so everyone can come and enjoy it. After that, Monday, we will be going to Pig Latin in Elk Grove, which is a really cool bar restaurant in Elk Grove. Beautiful outdoor space, tons of color, really cool vibes. I'm gonna put all of this on the website so you guys can check that out. On Tuesday, we will be going to Seasons Coffee in Midtown Sacramento, really cool coffee shop, and we'll be able to shoot in the Clara building as well. So it's a really beautiful historic building in Midtown. So a lot of really cool options there for shooting. Wednesday is the Bernice building. So really cool new apartment complex that has a pool, really nice like lounge area, a really cool kind of hidden like speakeasy bar type of thing. And it's an incredible space. Tons of options to shoot there. That one probably will be one of the better ones. Thursday we will be at Lone Wolf Ranch. Beautiful ranch wedding venue out in the Davis area. We've been there a couple times before. Everyone loves that spot. Friday is the one that we lost, and I'm working on filling that in with another event, but we'll do something fun on Friday. I'm still working on that one right now. And then Saturday is the what is it? The American River confluence under the Forest Hill Bridge in the Auburn area. We just did a meetup there and everyone loved it, man. People were asking to go back there. So we'll do our final meetup there at sunset. It should be incredible. So it's gonna be fun. Like I said, this is the first time doing this. It's gonna be a little challenging for me to try to manage all of it. But at the end of the day, we'll be out shooting sunset, getting amazing pictures, having models, doing our thing and having a ton of fun. We will have activations throughout the week or throughout the daytime as well. So I think Monday we're planning on doing coffee. And so everyone can kind of just, if you're available earlier in the day, come have coffee, hang, meet, talk, all that cool stuff. Wednesday we'll be doing lunch, and Friday we'll be doing lunch as well. So I want to start to do some activations throughout the day as well, just to make it a full experience for somebody, for all of you who want to partake in daytime events as well. So if you sign up, I'll have an email I'm working on right now that I'll send out to everyone that signed up. That'll have all the information that you need. Like I said, if you get the 3-day pass or the single day pass, all you have to do is send me an email, let me know which days or which events you want to come to. And yeah, whew, it's a lot, man, but it's gonna be a ton of fun. I'm super excited for it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send us an email. I'll drop all that information below. You can send us an email. You can check out the website, or you can send us a direct message on Instagram as well. Hopefully we'll see you guys out there. Should be a blast. A Good Ink Summer Photography Camp 2025 kickoff event. Let's get it, y'all.